What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix no sound error in Far Cry 4 PC game. I have seen this error in many PCs and in even my PC this error was there and I have fixed it already. All you have to do is just download a small software called DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. I have provided the link in the description box. Open that link and download this software. I have already downloaded this. Install it. At the time of installation, it will ask to download about 80 to 90 MB files. Download those files and install the software completely. And after the installation, you will be fixing your no sound error and you will be enjoying your game with the full sound. It is because of some audio DLL file missing from your PC, and this software adds some audio DLL files to your PC. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, make sure you subscribe my channel and comment the questions below.